Hi everybody, this is Lauren with Shabby Chic Sunday. Today I am sharing a journal that you may have seen on my channel before, but this is my newest edition. So this is my take on what a carnival would be like if Alice were to attend one in Wonderland. So on the cover here, I have a mix of grunge but also some orange sparkle, and I wanted it to look like the carousel. So I just used my Cricut to punch out this black glittery carousel that Alice is riding on. And there's a little tag here though that says warning. And then I wanted this to be, like the outer curtains or whatever around the ride. And I have Alice here with a ticket poking up out of the top, and same with the Mad Hatter, and he has a pair of cards in his hand. And then I just grunged up the cover with some fabric, and then I used all of this black mesh to make it look old as well. So when you open up the book, let's see if she'll lay flat, I have one of these Admit One shaker tags, and this is from Chaos Crafts. And then on the front page here is where you get in line to get your tickets. So the Mad Hatter is selling tickets in his ticket booth. And then these tickets here are from MyPorchPrints, her Halloween themed ones. And then Alice and the Queen are being used as a tuck spot for some additional tickets. And then there's just a banner at the top here that says Carnival. Okay, and when you flip the page then, I have warning, poison on an image of the Mad Hatter, and that serves as a tuck spot here. It says follow the white rabbit. And up here, that's being used as a little pocket. And then you flip it over, and there is a tuck spot behind this photo here. And then I have this creepy image of the Mad Hatter. It says we're all mad here. Okay, I have a little charm here of the white rabbit, and then some tags all about following the white rabbit. It says if you don't know where you're going, any road can take you there. So there's Alice wondering which way should she go and what should she do first at the carnival. So this is all about following the white rabbit. And then on this page I have Tweedledee and Tweedledum. Every adventure requires a first step, and they're being used as a little tuck spot for this giant card here. And then they also flip up, and underneath here this is a pocket, and here's the little white rabbit. This flips out, and then there's another tuck spot here with another tag, and oh, I had missed one right here. And then this is left blank for some photos. Up here then I have the Mad Hatter and the White Rabbit tombstones, and then they just pull out and kind of just hanging out, running amok, enjoying the carnival. Okay, little pocket with some removable tags. I thought on this page this could be like the balloons that Alice got at the carnival, and they're blowing away in the wind. So she's losing her balloons. And then this is my take on the whole eat me, drink me idea at the carnival. So of course we have to have a food truck, lots of food trucks. So I made this little poison apple that says eat me, little arsenic poison tag. And then in the popcorn bag, pull it out, and there's popcorn. And I also made this popcorn shaker, and this is also from Chaos Crafts, little popcorn shaker. It says yummy. And then in this pocket, I wanted to stick with the whole idea, like maybe this is a popcorn bag itself. So I just used some of this yellow confetti, and then got popcorn here. I made a little cake that says eat me on it. There's a picture of Alice growing and advertisement for popcorn. So I thought maybe this could be like the food truck. And then on this page, when you flip it over, you of course need beverages to go with your food. So here is another shaker from Chaos Crafts again. I love her shakers. They're so easy to use. So here's Drink Me. This is a printable from Little Joys of Bujo, and this is the quote of the story about drinking the vial. And I just printed it, made it into a pocket, and then you have a pull-out card on the inside. And then here is Alice growing again, and I just put her inside of a tea bag with some other little pull-out goodies. There's the Mad Hatter. So this is all about the Drink Me Now. This is a pocket here, little cotton candy shaker, Dice Me, and then a cotton candy advertisement. This is a little skeleton charm here. Mad Hatter, tuck spot, and this teacup is a tuck spot, and there is a tea cup, says Drink Me, and then Alice is sitting on top, and it says poison in her hand. So a little shaker, and then the images that I have to suit it are obviously the Mad Hatter related for the tea party. And then this is the ice cream truck. So there's a bunch of hands with ice cream. This is a pull-out underneath here. And then that flips up, and that's been left blank above for photos. If you knew time as well as I do, said the Hatter, you wouldn't talk about wasting it. So then I just have these images of losing track of time because they're having so much fun at the carnival. Another ticket booth for another excursion at the carnival, and he is selling tickets to see a fortune teller. And then in this little coin envelope, I just included some tarot cards. So maybe Alice is going to have her palms read and her fortune told, and see what excitement lies ahead for her at the carnival. So that just clips on there, and that's also used as a little tuck spot behind the Mad Hatter. And then the Mad Hatter here is cleaning up, doing his duty as a janitor. So I used one of these little witch's brooms and turned it into like his janitorial tool for sweeping up the grounds of the carnival. And here is his trash that he's been picking up. And then that flips down, and there is the Ferris wheel. I've got the cat and Mad Hatter enjoying the ride. That serves as a tuck spot here. And then the flip out is blank. And flip it over. I have a charm here. This is a tuck spot. And here's one of the games at the arcade. And I left the plastic open so you could reach inside and get your prize. Whatever you want at the arcade. Some more tags and cards. The kissing booth, 25 cents. Mad Hatter. And here's the Red Queen. Step right up, kissing booth, 5 cents. Smooches, pucker up. So Mad Hatter is overcharging you for 25 cents. This is a packet right here, and then this flips out, and this is a pull-out tag right here. And then I have some goodies, and then also a shaker. Alice here coming up from her grave, and you can pull her out and move her wherever you would like. A little lips shaker. And then this is also a pocket back here with some removable tags as well. Okay. Tuck spot here. You have a charm of scissors. Off with their heads. Here is Alice on her roller coaster ride. And this also is a tuck spot. And then the tent serves as a tuck spot here. This is also a pocket for a tag to fit in. This flips out, and then you've got the carousel once again here, and it serves as a tuck spot. There's an image of the white rabbit. And then this is a large pocket inside of here. Little charm watch to go with the white rabbit. This is all space for journaling and some additional tags that can be removed and placed wherever you would like. Tweedledee and Tweedledum serve as a tuck spot. And then this flips out, and you have another Tweedledee and Tweedledum tuck spot here. This is the tombstone for the Queen of Hearts, and she can be removed. And she's still yelling at people behind her grave, who's been painting my roses red. Mad Hatter, little pocket here comes out. Another little journaling card, pops out. This flips over, Tweedledee and Tweedledum. Some more journaling cards that come out. And then this is also a removable tuck spot with a tag here. Packet, some removable cards, and then this is where you can rent a broomstick and fly all around the carnival. So Alice has her witch hat on, and she is renting from the White Rabbit a broomstick so she can get around faster at the carnival. That flips out, and she is now going to an attraction of the House of Mirrors. So this is a pocket here. This is a little tuck spot, and then this flips over as well. And you have another tuck here behind the Mad Hatter. Little broomstick, charm, a packet of some goodies here, all tucked inside. Fun house. It's another removable Alice. She's hanging out in the fun house. Sure is using all of her tickets wisely. Little tuck spot. This is a flip out here. More journaling cards. This is the excursion for the Red Queen's target practice. So I just made this with my Cricut, and then I cut out all these little stuffed animals. So here's the Mad Hatter. Now he has put down his janitorial broom, and he is a carny, and he is manning this booth, and I'll hand out any of these prizes if anybody wins at the Red Queen's target practice. More pockets with some tucks. Tweedledee and Tweedledum little tuck spot. And that's it. And there's just another ticket at the back. Some hot glue on there still. A little shaker ticket. I wanted to go through that one rather quickly because this is a theme that you have seen before on my channel, but I just couldn't resist sharing the newest one with all of you, especially during my favorite season of the year. So with that, I will see you all very soon. Until then, take care.